how to delete LastPass account. So if you want to delete LastPass account, then open up your browser and then go for LastPass. Click on that search, which is www.lastpass.com, and go for login, which is on the upper right, and make sure to log into your account. Now you can go for the upper right corner and you can go for account settings. So here you don't have an option to delete your account, so what you have to do is you can go for a new page and then you can search for LastPass delete account and then click on delete your account, and from here you can click on delete, which is here. Click on yes, and then here you have to enter your Mastercard password and choose a reason why you would like to delete it. And if you want to add some comments, then you can add it and click on delete. And then if you are sure that you want to delete your LastPass account, then click on yes. If you really want to delete your account, then click on yes. And that's it. That's how you delete your account. It has been permanently deleted. Now click on OK. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.